Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to prevent late fees on Lendingclub loans. Late fees can quickly add extra costs to your loans, but Lendingclub provides tools to help you stay on track. Payments are typically due on the same date each month, and a late fee applies if your payment is not received within the grace period, which is usually 15 days. To avoid this, consider setting up autopay, which automatically deducts your installment from your linked bank account on the due date. You can also make manual payments early through the Lendingclub app or website. Setting up reminders in your phone or enabling Lendingclub's account alerts is going to add another layer of protection against missed payments. If you anticipate trouble making a payment, reach out to Lendingclub's support team before your due date. They may offer options like temporary payment adjustments. Of course, staying proactive is the best way to keep your loans in good standing and avoid unnecessary fees. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.